Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2018 Ford Mustang. This is the Mustang RTR Spec5. As you can see, the casting is by Hotwheels and it's a premium casting. If you look, this looks really good from the outside. So let's just open it up and see how are the details on this one. So here it is, the Mustang out of the package. Being a premium casting, it definitely has better details than a mainline, and also got rubber wheels and metal base. So first thing you will notice is the paint. This is the solid gray kind of paint, and you have got neon highlights on the car. Also on the side you can notice the RTR written on the side. It's really good looking car, I would say that. So let's move to the front and see how the details are up front. So up front you've got detailed headlamp, you got turn indicators, this intake which lights, you got a lip front spoiler here. As you can see, some arrow, everything is accentuated by neon green. Also on the hood you can see some scoops there. It's a performance oriented car, I guess, that's why. Let's move to the driver's side. Onto the driver's side, you can see this nice black what do you say, a black design or sticker, I guess it is, going on. You also got fuel filler cap. Mustang is a two-door, so obviously door here. Wheels look nice, they're black, they have the neon green accent there. Move to the back. The back again, it has got nice details. You can see there's a spoiler, again neon green finish on that, detailed tail lamp, RTR on the back, you see, and also there's a number plate which I'm not sure it says RTR or JR quarter, I'm not sure. But again, you've got quad exhaust at the bottom, so that's visible there. Turn lights, I guess. You can also see the wheel arches, they are slightly wider. So here you can see the wider wheel arches. Same goes for the front. This is how it looks from the top. I'm surprised there are no mirrors on this one, because premium casting usually have mirrors and stuff, but I think Hotwheels missed that. Would have looked better. The interior is done in black. There's no major detail apart than that. You can see the seats and steering, all that, but no major details there. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, the paint job, the details, those are really nice on this casting. It looks really good, and I'm sure you will find it a nice addition to the collection. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.